guys, it's me, obviously.
I'm literally going to run away.
Can I come?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So I'm making apple pie. I didn't say that, but I'm making apple pie from scratch. Mama's gonna come help me eventually, whether she likes it or not.
What?
Yeah.
You did an intro?
I don't intro or outro. I just kind of do.
What's up, guys? It's me, obviously.
Yeah. Are you making fun of me?
You didn't say it.
You just did it for me. I'll put that in the beginning. I hope that was all the flour I needed because I didn't. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
What you making?
I'm making apple pie.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
yeah.
I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I just mixed the flour and the salt because that's what it says. I'm following the directions because I never followed the directions properly. 1.5. What? That was work. Daddy, have you ever made pastry dough?
Yeah.
Do you know what it's supposed to look like?
Kind of yellow.
Well, no. Like in the beginning with just the butter.
What?
You know, like in the beginning with just the butter?
With just the letter.
Butter. Do you remember?
No.
No? Okay. Cause like, I'm not sure if this is looking right. I don't know. Okay, you know what? This is good to me. Look it! I made pastry dough. Okay, peel the apples. So I have Granny Smith apples because, and we're gonna start peeling. I'm gonna speed this up. Anyways, that's a weighted blanket. I wasn't talking. That's a weighted blanket. It's not like just there. It's because the cold comes in. So, yeah. Oh, I meant to rinse them. Good, right? Kind of sour, but kind of good. What?
You know, what is the word where it's like, it's hard to chew? Chewy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's a bit chewy to me.
And
And the sour.
Sugar? That's a lot of sugar. Flour, how much flour? 2 tablespoons. How do you, what?
But the red.
Oh,
Half
apples
a
are
table-
red in that game.
Half
Sonia.
a
Aren't they?
teaspoon.
Stinky.
Uh-oh, stinky.
That's what we say when
When I go like this,
Too late. I took too long to find a spatula.
Is it burnt? One
take the
fourth
burnt.
teaspoon. How the heck? Okay, we're just gonna.
Teaspoon. How the heck? Dogs is like, okay, stop it.
We're just gonna do half of. Ooh, this smells Christmassy.
I will see you later.
You do.
Mental breakdown.
Freak, whittle. Half a lemon, a whole half a lemon. Okay.
Me and Celine should start filming more.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. I mean, like, we have 2 weeks off of school, so.
Okay, so this whole lemon.
Wait, we do?
Yeah.
Hold up.
This is interesting.
Excuse me?
Me.
Oh, this is still on. Oh, nice.
Okay.
And, like, quote unquote depressed old lady.
I'm like, oh, you don't know. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
There's this girl on Grey's Anatomy, her name's Izzy Stevens, and she bakes whenever she's upset or stressed or somebody else is about to be upset, so she bakes until she gets it right. So I guess I just bake whenever I'm bored and don't know what to do with my life.
Well, I know none of my teachers on, like, Google Classroom or anything.
Have posted about not having school?
Yeah.
Yeah, only one of mine has, and it was my med-core teacher.
It's funny as you think I'm kidding.
Please, thank you. Okay.
I'm done. Game over. It's that old man. Mama. Mine.
I always say that my videos are all over the place, but they really are. Like, I never know if I'm doing anything right, if you can see everything. I don't talk that much because I'm so, like, in the zone when I'm making stuff.
And you're so focused what you're making?
Yeah. So, you know, I'm gonna say it again. I'm sorry if this video's all over the place because I... Yay! Look it! It covered the whole thing. I was so scared that it wasn't gonna fit. So our brush thing is a little bent, but we won't worry about it.
Wait, what? I want to see.
It got stuck in the drawer one time.
So it got bent, like
Yeah.
ugly.
Yay! Look it! It's so pretty! Okay, now we're gonna put it. That's it. Now I'm gonna clean up and do these dishes that I made. And I will see you guys when it's all cooked. Hopefully it comes out good. It tastes good. My dad said the little bit tasted good, like the
Apple?
yeah, he tried an apple. And yeah. My channel is basically a baking channel, but it's fine. We have fun.
I want the dough.
You wanna play with it? I'm seriously so surprised. I literally walked out of my room just now and it's 1 o'clock. I'm shook. So I'm gonna cut this pie right now. If I can plug this in. I don't know what knife to use, so we're just gonna go with a regular knife. I'm not gonna talk about it. It's still kind of hot, but this knife is bent. Okay. Is it cooked? If it's not cooked, I'm going to kill myself.
Oh my god, you scared me. You scared me? No, you scared me.
I'm going to kill myself.
Why? What'd you do?
It's so watery. So it is now 1:50 in the morning. I just finished this. Like, it's fully cooked. It's still a little wet, but my pastry came out good. And it holds together pretty well, I like to say. And the apples are fully cooked. I'd say for my first pie, this is good. Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, my usual baking, like always. And I'll see you guys in the next one.